This is the AM1. It's a bike with a motor. It looks, weighs and costs pretty much the same as a regular push bike, except it uses an electric motor to assist with pedaling, making moving through cities easier, safer and way more fun. The average daily trip is less than 20 miles, so we built a 20-mile e-bike. We use a compact battery and a lightweight motor to create an e-bike that weighs just 13.5 kilos. It doubles your power with only a negligible increase in weight over a regular push bike.
You think the battery pack is just going to make it super heavy, but you can pick it up with just like one hand.
It looks like a normal bike, not bulky or anything.
So here's how it works. Clip the battery in, turn it on and ride, just like a bike. If you want to go faster, turn it up. If you want more of a challenge, turn it off, and the AM1 rides like a normal single-speed bike. When you arrive, simply take the battery with you and plug it in like a phone to recharge it. And if you need more range, just take another battery with you and add another 20 miles. For the first time ever, you can buy an electric bike at the price of a regular city bike. Each AM1 is flat packed at the factory and reassembled by you. And because 90% of the bike parts are standard, this allows for unlimited customization using readily available parts found in your local bike store. We have a combined experience of over a decade of designing and delivering products to consumers. We've spent the last 4 years designing, prototyping and testing the AM1 to ensure that it's reliable, robust and works in any weather.
To make sure that AM1 is of the highest quality, we've worked with multiple factories around the world to select the perfect manufacturing partner. And now we're ready to manufacture and ship the AM1 around the world. The AM1 is the first affordable, lightweight electric bike.
God.
Join us and be the first to own one.
This is Bike, the answer to make more people ride a bike, enjoy the outdoors, and just live life. Bike is not an ordinary bike. It's an electric bike with a powerful motor. Don't want to pedal? Simply press the throttle and go full electric. You can ride 20 miles per hour with no effort, so you can focus on having fun. Bike is for more than just fun rides, though. It is affordable and designed for any rider and any occasion. It folds in 3 easy steps. It is designed to make transportation easy, convenient, and fun for you and your friends. Suspension for uneven roads, plus all-terrain tires and the powerful motor are perfect for riding anywhere. Its awesome design hides the battery inside the frame. Lightbike has the best features and the coolest design to put a smile on your face. It is made of the highest quality components and comes in 3 colors. Its built-in charger means you can charge your devices anywhere, even in the wild. You can ride much longer with Lightbike than an ordinary bike. But if you want to exercise, select the level of pedal assist on the computer. More people should have fun and experience the happiness with cycling. Whether you want to explore the wild or just cruise to work, Lightbike is perfect for you and your friends. Back us now. What are you waiting for? Grab your friends and come join our adventure. Lightbike.
VeloBike, lighter, smarter and more compact than any other electric folding bike on the market. Unique technology, unique you. In the past 15 years, electric bikes and electric folding bikes on the market haven't changed much.
We have looked at what's out there and took the latest technology for electric bikes to develop something new. The lightest, smartest and most compact electric folding bike. It is lightweight, has a sleek design and folds extremely small. Introducing VeloBike Plus.
I'm Valentin Vodev.
And I'm Valerie Wolf, the founders of VeloBike.
The VeloBike takes advantage of the next generation of regenerating electric bike technology that has the ability to charge the battery while pedaling, so you can ride forever without having to recharge it. Connected to your phone via Bluetooth
to select different power modes,
track your road or lock your bike motor with the app and make it difficult for thieves to steal it.
Furthermore, VeloBikes are high-performance folding bikes that feel and ride like a full-size bike. Is shock absorbent and provides for a safe ride.
Use it for multi-modal commuting. Fold and roll in a second thanks to its patent self-locking magnet system and then wheel it around everywhere. At the same time, it can be folded extremely small. Take it with you everywhere and place it under your work desk easily.
It was designed to fit all body sizes due to the fully adjustable height of the handlebar stem and extra long seat post.
VeloBikes have been designed for the urbανauts. Feel the freedom and culture of urban lifestyle.
In 2015, the VeloBike was awarded the prestigious Red Dot Best of the Best.
With your support, we can bring it to life.
Check out our reports.
Hi, I'm Mike, the designer and founder of L-Bike in Munich. I want to reach a whole new level with an electric bike, the L-Bike. It features the philosophy, design at a great price and now with an electric support. And this is the L-Bike experience.
Ich hätte erst gar nicht gedacht, dass es ein Elektrofahrrad ist, weil es einfach so kompakt ist und geht ab wie Schmitzkatze.
Wow! Juhu! Okay, das ist eine andere Nummer.
Geil.
Ach du Scheiße. Wow, es geht so krass ab.
Das ist ein geiles Gefühl. Ich trete und dann auf einmal schiebt es nach.
War richtig toll, also es hat richtig Spaß gemacht. Wow!
Es fährt halt einfach, auch wenn ich nicht trampel. Das ist echt geil.
Du trittst ja bloß einmal eigentlich und dann schiebt der Motor ab.
Ja, mir steigst am Hut ab, das geht ab wie eine Rakete.
Das wird bestimmt einiges kosten.
Ich denke so um die 3.000 € vielleicht.
Das kostet so 2.500 bis 3.000.
Our special offer for all early birds is a limited edition for $999. Buy it now, buy it now, buy it now, buy it now.
Hey, buy it now!
Nein, buy it now. Kauf es jetzt.